never better.
Are you sure you're not sick?
It's just allergies.
Since when do you have allergies?
I've always been sensitive to weather change. Okay?
Did that dragon make your sniffles worse?
Like I said, it's just allergies. Allergies!
Oh, man, why are you fighting this so much? It's just a cold.
Being sick, means you're weak, and heroes aren't weak, and heroes aren't weak.
This is kind of funny at first, but now it's just kind of gross, and I'm not really into gross out humor.
We are doctors now. Prepare for surgery.
Just admit that you're sick. Come on, Mau Mau.
Oh no! Stupid cold.
Ooh, what a sample.
Told you I was contagious.